Bantay and Tagpi. One day, Bantay is looking at his collection of bones. I wonder why. Some of my bones are missing. He arrives running and shouting to Bantay. Bantay! Bantay! Ouch! I wants to laugh, but stop himself so as not to hurt his feeling. He notices Bantay's collection of bones. Tells Bantay, a huge collection of bones you got here. Bantay greets Tagpi. Tagpi bounces up and down around Bantay, inviting him to play. Catch the ball. On Bantay, let's play catch the ball. Will be fun. Okay, Tagpi, we'll get the ball inside the house. Bantay agrees. Play catch the ball. Bantay and Tagpi played the ball on the grass field. Tagpi tells Bantay that he is tired and wants to take a nap. I'm going home now, Bantay. I'm already tired. I need to take a nap. Okay, you go on then. We'll just get the ball. Bantay bounce off. Get the ball at the far end, the grass field. Then he runs to his house with the ball in his mouth. The ball. He says that one more big bone is missing. Who is getting my bones? Meanwhile, Tagpi worries. The bone he took from Bantay's collection. Then he goes front on his master's house. Asleep on his cute basket. Girls, inside his new basket. Tagpi awakens as a stray dog is tugging at his new blanket. Stray dog runs away with his new blanket. Tagpi cries out loud. Bantay on the other house, him. How could anyone get things that are not theirs? Bantay shows Tagpi. Some dogs do. Probably the same dog took the bones from my collection. Bantay adds. Bantay courageously said, let's go find him. Get the things he took from us. Tagpi is about to say something about Bantay's missing bone. But Bantay urges him to run with him to look for the stray dog. Bantay and Tagpi look everywhere for the stray dog. It feels to find him. Bantay and Tagpi slowly walk back to their homes. Bantay notices Tagpi crying. Bantay cheers up Tagpi. It's okay, Tagpi. Your master will understand what happened to your blanket. I am sure that soon enough you will have a new blanket. Tagpi admits, I am not longer crying about that. I am the one who took some of your bones. I have a lot of bones in your collection. So I thought you will not miss 1, 2 bones. If you want some of my bones, all you have to do is ask. Tagpi, after all, what are friends for? Bantay explains. Know that now. I hope you can forgive me. P say sorry. Accepted. Bantay answers with big smile. Bantay walks home with the P, bouncing up and down around him. That's end of our story about Bantay and Tagpi. Hope you enjoy mga ka-learning. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!